Here we have the Hotpoint NU614 new induction hob cooker. There's double grill, twin grill feature. It's a Hotpoint Ultima. These new easy acrylic pads, easy to clean, easy to replace, 4 screws. This is the induction hob. It collects a lot of dust, so you have to keep cleaning it. But if you notice, every time you press a button here, this will flash. So you press anywhere, flash, to say it's locked. You just let that go out. And then if you hold this button, you'll hear it click. And then you'll still be thinking, still know it happened. So if you press this one and hold it, it all lights up. And then you can alter the power on the hobs, but obviously it flashes because these are sensors. So they won't register until something's on it. Normally, it's a safety feature, so normally you can swipe your finger over and it activates it. But if I get an induction pan, which you'd have to buy with every induction hob, I've just accidentally activated the lock on it. But what we can do is turn it back on. There we go. Now these new induction hobs, pans, sorry, have the magnetic thing on the bottom, and then that connects to the hob. When that is on, we can start using it. You can see you turn that right up to 9. And you'll hear a funny noise, don't worry about it, it's just the way the induction hob works. A lot of people with the reviews say that it's a very noisy oven, but it's a safety feature, very safe. So instantly I can feel that getting really hot straight away. Give it a couple more minutes, and if I was to touch that, it'd be really hot, or even the sides. It gets really hot. Yeah, that's getting really hot now, really hot. Now that's on the highest power. It's really hot. If that had water in it now, it'd start boiling. I'll take that off. My hand's straight on it. It's not even burning me. Straight away, the heat has disappeared. Amazing. So that's the safety feature. Now when I first bought this oven, the hobs work, but the oven didn't. So I turned the oven, and normally you expect that light and the fan at the back to start turning, but it didn't. Now my digital display screen was 000. Now if you do not set the time on the oven will not work. It's a bit annoying because you have to turn it off at your switch every night. I mean, you have to keep it on all night, because if you turn it off at the switch, this clock will reset and your oven won't work. So just bear in mind, guys, that the time on the oven needs to be set, else your oven won't work. Just bear that in mind. But it's a Hotpoint new Ultima, and I really recommend it. It's a good oven. But induction is the way to go, I believe, for safety, especially with children, or you leaving anything on the hob. It's really good. So check out my other video, guys, and take care.